Google Apps is very easy to access and also user-friendly. I tell my students to look for the waffle. It should be at the top of your Google Drive. Once you click on Google Apps, then it shows you all of the apps that are available, and you can also press more and it will give you even more options. Some of the favorites that I use would be Classroom and Hangouts. Also, it's nice to have your Gmail right there and also your calendar. So I'm going to click on Calendar. And this calendar that comes up is an athletic calendar for my school that's been shared with all of the coaches. So you can see that it's easy to share a calendar so that people in your school know exactly what is going on. But you can also create a new calendar that you could share even with your students if you wanted to use your lesson plans. So you can share the calendar down here, and then if you wanted specific people, then you can put their email addresses in. But it might be a great way for you to put it in your classroom, and it could have all of your lesson plans for the week. Now if I go back to the apps, Docs and Sheets and Slides we're going to talk about later. But if you go to More, it can also take you to your Google Classroom. Within your Google Classroom, you can create a class for each one of your sections. So I teach English 1 and English 2, so I have an English 2 section, 2 English 2 sections because I had 2 English 2 sections, and an English 1 section. So within that English 1 seminar, I have posted reviews, websites, practices. Students have also created Quizlets, and also here is some work that students have submitted to me. If you click on the plus sign, you can create an announcement, an assignment, and at the beginning of the school year, you can give the students the code, and then they can join the class very easily so that they know where all the information is. It's also a great tool if students are absent because they can find out what was going on. And at the very bottom, I have my classroom PowerPoint and the shark bait that we do each day, so the students know that if they're absent, they can still get the work from that day. So there's lots of different apps within Google Drive, and some of my favorites would be the calendar and Google Classroom.